Welcome back with the Nvidia chart. So, what is it? Whether to buy it or sell it or being neutral, where it is leading. Let's just see what charts are saying, what technicals are saying. Now, I just opened Nvidia in weekly time frame, and you see there is a trend line which is lower low is on January, means like this current year, January, and then April, and then upper side if you see this is on September, and again March, again June. It went above the trend line but it didn't sustain here, and then again went down and completely went all the way down to the below trend line, right? And then from there it went up all the way but it didn't sustain or touch the above trend line, again going down. So whether it is a good time to invest or is there anything else we need to look at it? Is it a bullish or bearish, at least the next 6 months time period? So if I go down a bit, like I opened it in a daily time frame, if you see these are the weekly trend lines that went above, and here is a 140 almost, here the down is 76, and all the way it is doubled in how long? April 24, 26 to 140 in June, April, May, June, just in 3 months span it is almost doubled, and then slowly it came down to the trend line and kind of tried to move upward, but again profit booking. And then you see these are some green candles, here also green candles, but then red candles, similarly here red candles, huge red candles, and then slowly moving up again at this particular near the trend line. You see the big red candle and slowly went up, right? So see here again it didn't even reach the trend line but again went down. So can we consider this as a good buying opportunity, or can we wait for few more confirmations? Yeah, seems like these are complete red candles, not a proper green. Like you see this is green candle, even though after that there is a small profit booking, but then again it went up, but I don't see it here any solid green or reversal. We may see little down side here, or even the trend lines, the shorter trend line if you see in a daily time frame. If I draw this lower lows and lower highs, so this is what all together is leading to somewhere in 90s also. We can see 90 something, but from there we can see a good reversal if it sustain here this levels like 95 or 92. In between this is a critical zone basically. If it sustain here then we can see a reversal till the trend line again back to the previous highs. So let's see where we can draw a line. So here these are, if I extend this particular line, it is almost coming near this. So 91 or 90 is the crucial, and if that's sustained, then we can see a reversal from here, and again the current levels where it is, you see most of the candles are, then this is also important zone again, 104, 108, this is the next level, and then 116. So almost 10% you can see a difference. So either it will likely to go down little bit, and then when it come back to these levels, then we can see a good reversal possibly. So again it will head back to the previous highs or all-time highs, we can say. So these are the crucial levels, in my point of view, as price action sees. See here you can see the volumes as well, here some green volumes continuously, and then here also some green volumes, but here if you see the red volumes, and the same thing continuing here, here is a red volumes compared to these green volumes. More profit booking is happening here, or maybe because all the markets are also going down, Nvidia is one of the major contribution with its recent earnings and all, so it went down, and from here as we see, it's again complete full red candle. Maybe we can see little more profit booking or whatever. So at this level, after this means later mid of the September, or after this week, coming week, then we can see a good reversal. But just see whether it is a good thing to do. Even if we buy now also, we can average the prices, and we can keep investing, and when it is coming back, we can go for a good up move, we can catch the rally. But they say like don't catch the falling knife, right? So wait and watch where it is heading. So when you see a strong resistance, the resistance becomes the support, then we can enter there. See here resisted, and then it become a support level, as this long trend line, weekly trend line, and crossing the weekly trend line. Similarly, whatever the daily higher high is there, it broke in that level as well, and then it jumped. See, if you see 106 to 130, that is a huge, like 20% in a week. Yes, in a week. So that's what the confirmation is. You already see these candles, and then it is, just try to look at the market in a simple way. I haven't done anything. It's a simple candlesticks where I've just used couple of trend lines. Weekly, I started with a weekly. If you see, these are the weekly lines, this one and this one, and then I went down to daily and then saw this trend. If you want, you can also draw one more here where you see the lower lows and higher highs. It is just a W pattern, right? So one cup completed, see, but it didn't resist it, like it didn't closed it. The level is not so strong. This 135 again went down. Let's see where it is leading. When you see the strong reversal, definitely it will come back to this 120 and 130 levels. 120 for sure, as you see the trend line here. 115 is the first level, we can say. If it is sustained above 105, then it will definitely come to 115 and then 130. So this is what my view. You just let me know what is your view. Do you agree or what exactly? So it is all about Nvidia. Let me just go to monthly candle, and you see this, it's just a strong up move, and then past 3 months it is just there in the same levels, 106 to 130. So this level is very crucial because there is a breakout in May at the same levels, and then it went above, and then this is what, if you see the weekly, it is saying the same thing. These levels are very crucial, right? It looks messy, but the thing is, if you draw this levels, you can see what is coming clearly. You see, this is again one more trend line, but it looks messy, I understand. Just try to join as much as we can. So once these are the ones, if once it is broken, then you can see either upside breakout or it might go downside. So that is what it is. So just be careful about these breakouts, whether it is a true breakout or a false breakout. If it is a false breakout, if we keep the proper stop loss below this trend line or near to this trend line, whichever the way, that would really save us. For example, if you bought it here, then you must have keep some stop loss below the line, and if it breaks down, then you will have this to be protected. Similarly, if you see, if you must have bought it at this moment, if you must have keep the stop loss here instead of going down here, 120 level you are in, and it went all the way up. If you have booked profit, well and good, but if you must have bought it at this level, and if you kept this as a stop loss 124, then you must have saved this all red candle, saved from this huge dump. So try to understand the importance of stock market and stop losses. Those will really save us. We can go with another new trade with a full of confidence. So yeah, that is all about Nvidia. You just comment below what is your view on Nvidia. So my view, in a quick note, in a short period of time, in a couple of days or weeks, it is looks bearish, If it sustains this current levels, then it will go up, but seems like it is gonna go down a bit. So once it reached this 94 levels, then we can see a reversal, maybe 89 also. So if it is saved this, and then we can see a good reversal. Probably in next, we can see that in next couple of months itself, September, October. Yeah. What is your view on Nvidia, how the market is going to perform, which direction it is leading, what do you think, what fundamentals are saying, what technicals are saying? I usually look out for technicals, so this is how I look for the direction, so that is there anything chart is talking to us, is there anywhere chart is telling us something, is it conveying something, is it saying something? See, here it is saying strongly that I'm gonna go up. See this candle, you see this red candle, it is saying that I'm gonna go down, it is saying that I'm gonna go up. Similarly here it is saying that I'm gonna go down. So I think there is a little more down, but eventually there is a strong support below here at this levels 94 and 91. From there it can come back to 105, the current levels, and then if sustained there, you can see a good reversal 105, 115 and so on and so forth till the previous high is reached. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also comment your thoughts below. Bye for now. We'll come back with another video. Thanks for watching.